Hello everyone, this is Idris once again and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to look at one of the best WordPress Aliexpress dropshipping plugin that you can use to semi-automate your dropshipping business. As you all know, dropshipping is getting much better and easier these days simply because there are bunches of softwares that can help you to semi-automate the dropshipping store. More and more people are getting involved in this kind of business and thousands of dollars are being made from the dropshipping business every day. Today people are earning six-figure income from the dropshipping business. If you are on this channel, the chances are either you are operating a dropshipping store or you are planning of starting one. In the previous videos, we looked at how to create a dropshipping store using Isuzu Automated and also discuss how to push product from AliExpress to WooCommerce using Alidropship Plugin. In today's video, we are going to look at another best WordPress plugin that can easily help you to take your dropshipping business into the next level. This plugin by far is one of the best and the most widely used plugin when it comes to WordPress AliExpress dropshipping business. That plugin is no other plugin than Alidropship Plugin. Before we jump straight to the features and what made this plugin to be the best when it comes to WooCommerce dropshipping business, I would like to officially introduce you to my channel if you are a newcomer to this channel. This channel is all about dropshipping, blogging, WordPress, making money online and general tech tips and tricks. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, I would like to invite you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel in order not to miss any further video updates from the channel. But if you are a returning viewer, I would like to thank you for coming back. Alright guys, so back to our topic. Alidropship Plugin is one of the best WordPress / WooCommerce plugin which comes with advanced features and functions you can think of. The Alidropship plugin gives you everything you need to start your own highly successful dropshipping business today. If you are a regular visitor to this channel, you may realize in the past I discussed 3 dropshipping softwares that you can use to import products from AliExpress to your store, and I must say each of the softwares we discussed so far is great, but Alidropship Plugin has advanced mind-blowing features and functions that most of the softwares we discussed earlier on don't have. Some of these features and functions may be found in the other plugins we discussed earlier on, but most of the features are not. The Alidropship plugin is developed to make the life of every WooCommerce dropshipper easier. I started using this plugin barely a month and I must say the results I'm getting with the plugin is amazing. For the past, I used most of the dropshipping plugins, but none of them can be compared to this one. The plugin has many features that's fully compatible with WooCommerce plugin. So in this video we are not going to look at all the features, but we look at some of the advanced features of this plugin. Alright guys, the first feature of this plugin that made me to fall for this plugin is the built-in themes. WooCommerce, as we all know, is powered by WordPress, and WordPress is mainly based on themes and plugins. Themes are what give any WordPress website a great look. For a standard WordPress store or WooCommerce store, the main thing that can give the store a great look is the theme and most of these nice themes are premium themes. Fortunately on your part, once you decide to purchase the Alidropship plugin, you can get the chance to download most of these nice looking themes alongside with the plugin. The plugin comes with a professionally designed theme that you can easily set up with the WordPress theme customization. Alright guys, the next feature that I can also recommend, or that made me to fall for this plugin, is the product review. Product review is among the first thing that most of the customers or your audience look for when placing an order on a store. With this plugin, that is the Alidropship plugin, you can easily import the original Aliexpress product reviews to your store, and this can encourage your customers to take action on your store. The reason is that once you import the original products review from Aliexpress into your store and a customer happens to land on that product, he or she will be able to see the reviews that product has, and that can influence his purchasing decision. That will show that you are having an audience and your audience are in love of the products you are selling, and that can encourage them to also purchase that same product. Most of these dropshipping softwares we discussed earlier on, they don't have that features in them, but with the Alidropship plugin it has that feature, meaning you can easily import the products reviews into your store. Alright, the third feature that catches my attention also is the abandoned cart feature. Study revealed that 90% of your customers or your audience will not purchase a product the first time they come across that product. This means a customer can come to your store and see a product, but that person will not buy it due to the fact that the person would like to explore other store to compare the prices with yours. By so doing, that customer might forget to come back to your store and finish what he or she started on your store. So it's always good to have the abandoned cart feature on your store. This will send a reminder to anyone who started an action on your store and couldn't finish it. And what made this plugin the best is that it has that feature in it. The Alidropship plugin has this feature integrated, and this means you don't have to spend any extra cash in getting this feature to your store. Alright guys, the fourth functions or feature that also catches my attention is the SEO product tags. As a store owner, there are different ways to drive traffic to your store, and the best among them is paid and organic traffic. With this plugin, you can optimize your product pages for search engines with product specific tags, titles, descriptions, and keywords. This will help to generate free organic traffic to your site. Okay, the next feature we are going to look at is the built-in image editor. The Alidropship plugin comes with a powerful feature that amazed me the very first time I started to use the plugin. The plugin has a powerful tool designated to edit images before importing them into your store from Aliexpress and make changes to the product image directly from your WordPress admin panel. Most of the dropshipping softwares don't have this feature in them, meaning once you are importing a product image, you are importing the original images from the Aliexpress store. And as we all know, some of the images from on the Aliexpress store has the original seller logo on, and that means if you should import such product to your store and a visitor or a and a customer comes to your store to purchase that item, he or she will see the logo of the original seller on your product, and that can create some suspicion in the mind of the customer. So with this plugin, you can easily edit them and remove all the logos and other informations of the original seller of the products from AliExpress. Alright guys, the final feature we are going to look at is the all-in-one dashboard. Unlike other dropshipping apps or softwares which has a separate dashboard from the main WooCommerce dashboard, Alidropship Plugin dashboard is integrated in your WordPress main dashboard. What this means is that once you install the Alidropship plugin, you can be able to see all the activities of your store, that is your sales, the order, the traffic and other activities that is being taken place on your store right from your dashboard, that is your main WordPress dashboard. As we've seen in the other softwares, you need to create a separate account on a separate website before you can be able to see your activities, that is your sales, order and traffic of your site. You need to log into the main developers websites before you can have access to the dashboard. But with the Alidropship plugin, you don't have to do that. You can easily have access to these informations right from your WordPress dashboard. So there are other features you can look at. We have the payment gateway integration, we have the cashback system, we have the free updates and supports, we have the inventory management. I will leave the link to this website in the description below. You can come on this website and go through all the features and see the reason why I said this is one of the best AliExpress WooCommerce dropshipping plugin. Alright guys, so how do you get this plugin? You can get the plugin by going to the developers website, that is alidropship.com. I will leave the link in the description below once again. So once you are on this website, you can either order for a custom store or you can purchase the plugin. If you are familiar to WordPress, I will encourage you to go with the plugin. That will save you some costs. But if you are new to WordPress and you don't want to do all the technical work, then you can purchase the full custom store. And today, as I'm recording this video, they are offering a discount. So meaning if you should take action today by purchasing the plugin or by ordering for the custom store, you are going to get it at a discount. The plugin costs $89 only, but if you are purchasing the plugin today, you are getting 35% off in today's offer using the code new season. So I will leave the link to this website below this video. You click on it and then go to the page and purchase the plugin as soon as possible if you really want to go with this plugin. And I bet you once you are able to purchase this plugin and go through all the settings and started to use the plugin, you yourself will love the plugin. Alright guys, today we are only bringing out the review of this plugin. In the next video, we will look at how to download the plugin after purchasing it and how to set up the plugin. Once you've set up the plugin, then we will look at how to import products from AliExpress to your WooCommerce store and how you can edit the products before you publish them to your store. So this is what I have for you guys today, and if you really find this video helpful, I would like to invite you once again to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel if you are new to the channel, and if you are a returning viewer, I would like to thank you for coming back, and also I would like to invite you to click on the like button to like this video, and also don't forget to leave a comment below this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.